yo, we can do this. We can do this. We can come from Africa and we can still achieve this.
Yes, of course.
Okay, let's go to work now.
Say it again, please.
Do something. Do something.
What do I want?
Do something. Do something. Do something. Do something. Do something. Do something.
How you doing?
Rising up, back on the streets. Took my time, took my chances.
You know, a lot of punch behind that weight, a lot of weight behind that weight, a lot of weight, a lot of.
Oh, wait! What's going on? I love it. I love it.
Habib, Habib.
Don't fuel my fire. Don't fuel my fire. If you fuel my fire, I will take it out on you when we get in there.
Hey! Who put this thing together? Me! That's who!
Who?
Do something! Do something!
Pump the brakes, pump the brakes. Please, I want to focus on training. I don't want this to be an issue for me, okay?
Let's go.
Everybody know you, Faye. We live 20 miles apart and we have mutual friends. If it's beef, we can do it. It's not a problem. But you know I will finish you.
Hey!
Calm down.
Let's wrestle! Let's wrestle! Let's wrestle!